Today I'm going to teach you the top 5 easiest BMX beginner tricks. The bunny hop is the foundational trick to BMX. Almost every trick you'll learn later starts with a bunny hop. So for step 1, you want to start rolling at a comfortable speed. Step 2, you pull your handlebars up so your front wheel is in the air. Now, for step 3, as the front wheel rises, you want to jump with your legs and scoop with your back foot to lift the back wheel up. For step 4, when you're in the air, you want to level out your bike so you land on both wheels at the same time. Now, a common mistake is usually beginners try to start by jumping with both wheels, but we don't want to try that. Focus on lifting your front wheel first and then the back. Trick number 2 is a manual. A manual is basically like a wheelie, but without pedaling. So you're just using pure balance. Step 1, once again, is roll at a steady speed. Step 2 is you want to push your hips back over the back wheel and then pull your handlebars up. For step 3, you want to keep your arms straight and bend your knees to keep your balance up so you keep that front wheel in the sky. The key to this trick is finding the balance point and try to stay on it as long as possible. Over time, you can start increasing the distance and try manual further and further until you've mastered it. Trick number 3 is the fakie. So for this trick, it's basically just rolling backwards on your bike. So step 1, you want to roll up a small bank, ramp, or any incline and let your bike start going backwards. For step 2, as you're rolling back, you want to keep your eyes up. You don't want to be looking down. You want to keep your eyes up and start pedaling your pedals backwards. To get out of a fakie, all it takes is bending your arms and kind of jumping back, looking over your shoulder while lifting your front wheel, and the bike will turn around. This trick takes a lot of practice, so make sure you're giving yourself a lot of time. Trick number 4 is a 180 on a ramp. Now for this trick, you need to add a bunny hop and a decent sized ramp. So step 1 is you go up the ramp with a good amount of speed. Step 2 is to look over your shoulder. Step 3 is just bunny hop. The final trick is the foot jam. This is pretty much like an endo on a mountain bike, but instead of using brakes, you're using your foot. So step 1 of this trick, you want to start rolling at a steady speed. Step 2 is you want to take one foot off the pedal, just whichever is comfortable. Step 3 is jamming your toe into the front wheel, right where the forks start. After you do step 3, your back wheel is going to come up into the air. I would recommend learning how to fall off of this, so you don't accidentally face plant, that would suck. And then for the final step, when your back wheel comes back down, you have to fakie, just like trick number 3. And that's it, that's the top 5 BMX tricks to learn as a beginner. Now all of these are going to take plenty of practice, so don't expect to get it first try. Take your time with each one and just don't rush it. BMX is all about repetition, so just carry on trying it, don't rush it, and have as much fun as possible. Anyways, if you enjoyed that video and found it useful, subscribe. I'll catch you next week, bye.